Mosquitoes have evolved to be highly efficient at finding their human hosts, and science has uncovered some of the key reasons why certain people are more attractive to them. One major factor is blood type. Studies show that individuals with type O blood are nearly twice as likely to be bitten compared to those with type A or B. This is because mosquitoes can detect specific proteins secreted in the sweat and skin of people with different blood types, making some more appealing than others. Another significant attractant is body odor, which is shaped by genetics and the unique blend of bacteria living on our skin. These microorganisms break down sweat and produce distinct chemical compounds that mosquitoes can detect from a distance. For example, lactic acid, uric acid, and ammonia in sweat are particularly enticing to these pests. People with higher concentrations of these compounds naturally attract more mosquitoes. Carbon dioxide, CO2, is yet another critical factor. Mosquitoes use specialized receptors to sense CO2 from as far as 50 meters away, allowing them to hone in on exhaled breath. Larger individuals and pregnant women who exhale more CO2 often find themselves targeted more frequently. By understanding these biological and environmental triggers, individuals can better assess their personal risk and take targeted steps to reduce mosquito attraction. Many people believe that spiritual or religious practices can influence whether mosquitoes are attracted to them, but this is a myth unsupported by scientific evidence. Mosquitoes do not discriminate based on faith, rituals, or divine intervention. Instead, their preference for certain individuals is rooted in biology and environmental factors, such as blood type, body chemistry, and carbon dioxide emission. By dispelling these misconceptions, we can focus on real, evidence-based solutions rather than relying on superstitions or unproven remedies. Education is key to shifting these outdated beliefs. Studies consistently show that genetics, skin bacteria, and even sweat composition determine mosquito attraction, not prayers, amulets, or spiritual purity. For example, some cultures mistakenly assume that wearing certain charms or performing rituals can repel mosquitoes, but these claims lack scientific validation. Instead of relying on folklore, understanding the actual factors, like how lactic acid in sweat or high body heat draws mosquitoes, can help people take effective preventive measures. Promoting a rational, science-backed approach empowers individuals to protect themselves effectively. By addressing these myths directly, we encourage communities to adopt proven strategies, such as using insect repellent or eliminating breeding sites, rather than ineffective spiritual practices. This shift not only improves public health but also fosters a more informed and logical perspective on mosquito control. Mosquito bites can be minimized through a combination of personal and environmental strategies. One of the most effective methods is using insect repellents containing active ingredients like DEET, picaridin, or oil of lemon eucalyptus. These repellents disrupt the mosquito's ability to detect human scent, reducing the likelihood of bites. Apply repellent to exposed skin and clothing, following product instructions for safe use. For those who prefer natural alternatives, options like citronella or lavender oil may offer some protection, though they are generally less effective and require more frequent reapplication. Wearing protective clothing is another practical solution. Opt for long-sleeved shirts, long pants, and socks, preferably in light colors, which are less attractive to mosquitoes. Clothing treated with permethrin, an insect repellent chemical, provides additional protection and remains effective even after multiple washes. Avoid peak mosquito activity times, such as dawn and dusk, when these pests are most active. Eliminating standing water around homes and communities is crucial, as it serves as breeding grounds for mosquitoes. Regularly empty containers like flower pots, bird baths, and gutters. Encourage neighborhood efforts to reduce stagnant water in public spaces. By combining these measures, individuals can significantly lower their risk of mosquito bites and contribute to a healthier environment.